Okay, some of you are asking how to add text to your This I Believe picture. So let me show you the easiest way to do that. This works again on any device. You can see that I'm in Slides. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this stuff here. And then I'm going to insert my picture. I'm going to go to Insert Image. And whether you need to upload it from your computer or your Chromebook or your pictures in Drive, you can get your picture into Slides a bunch of different ways. Even if you're on your phone and you go to Slides, you can upload from your camera roll. So I'm just going to upload from my computer my picture that I have here. I'm going to reposition it. I'm going to stretch it out to make sure that it takes up the full size of the slide. Right now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my writing. So I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to go to Word Art, and I'm going to start by doing this. I'm going to type remember. Now, here's a tip. To change the colors and stuff like that, you want to come up here to where the paint bucket is. And I'm going to change this to white. And I'm going to make the background, I'm going to make the outline. This pencil represents the outline. I'm going to make it black. And then I'm going to use these thick lines here to make it a little bit thicker. One tip when you guys are designing text, a white text with a black outline can be read on any colored picture. So feel free to make this whatever you want it to look like. Just make sure that it's easy for the viewer to read. When in doubt, you always want to do white text with a black outline. I'm going to then go to Insert. I'm going to go back to Word Art, and I'm going to type safety is no accident. There we go. I'll move that down here. You can make sure it's centered by using those red lines. And now it's ready to export so I can upload it into my Google form that I sent for you guys. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Download. And then it's going to say JPEG, which is an image file. So it's again, go to File, go to Download, go to JPEG. And since you only have one slide, that is what it's going to download, is that it's going to download that slide as a picture. That picture that you downloaded is what you're going to put into your Google form to submit your This I Believe statement now on your picture. All right.